welcome back to the greenhouse. We are here with another video, and today we are going to be doing some painting. I am in our master bedroom, and in preparation for baby that's coming in a couple months, I want to spruce up our bedroom. And the reason why I want to spruce up our bedroom is because this is where me and the baby are gonna be. We are gonna do the kids' bedroom. It's a baby boy, so he's gonna be, him and my son Ashe are gonna be sharing a room, and we're gonna be redoing their room. But babies don't be in there for a while anyway. So first priority right now is our room. Our room has gotten probably the least amount of love. It's okay. Let me just say it's okay. We've done small things along the way, but it is by no means complete. It is by no means cozy. For me personally, it's not finished. So I want to take this opportunity to get it more cozy, more homey, more inviting, more of a mood, more of a vibe in here for my postpartum. So let me show y'all what we're working with and what we're going to be changing. So this is our master bedroom. Child, and excuse the mess. Got some stuff over here. Clothes that I need to put up right here. This is probably my favorite little corner. And I don't know if YouTube, I don't think y'all have seen this unless you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, but this is one of my favorite features about our bedroom. This is a bamboo curtain that we got from Amazon probably almost a year ago now, and we love it. It's such a vibe. This picture I made myself. I have a little passion collection called the TDG collection, and that is what that is from. That's me right there. I did this frame and all that. And then we have our dresser, TV, and this is actually one of my spirit animals. This is a jaguar, as y'all can see on my hand. I don't know if you can see. Yes, spirit animal, okay? But that is why I got this picture, but I'll be honest and say I really don't like this picture. Or it just needs to be amongst some other scenery. But that is all that's going on. So let's discuss this wall, because that is what we're gonna dive into today. So our whole house is black and white. All the walls are white or has a black accent wall on it. This being one of them. Now, when we first moved in and did this black accent wall, I did not quite consider that we were also going to be having a black bed. I had ordered it, but it wasn't delivered yet. And yeah, just didn't consider that. Didn't consider how tall of a bed frame we have, to where I wasn't going to be able to really contrast it with a picture or some type of artwork at the top of it. Also did not consider the fact that our nightstands are black. So it's just very blah. Very blah. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to insert a picture of a wallpaper inspiration that I saw on Etsy. I was thinking of just purchasing the wallpaper, but
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm making a video.
Bed?
Yeah, of the bed. Yeah, I slightly considered buying the wallpaper, but for this size wall, it was gonna be like $300, and I'm like, nah. Nah, I'm too artsy and too much of a DIYer for me to spend that much money on a wall that's already black, because as y'all saw from the picture, it's a black background. The only thing is just the detail work on top of it. So no, I'm not doing that. So today I'm going to be painting my own accent wall, my own accent detail. So we're going to leave the background black just like the picture, and I'm going to try to mimic the print that is on the picture that you saw. And it will be some differences, which is a-okay with me, because I'm all about individuality and making it my own. That is just the inspiration of what we're going to do today. And what that's going to do is just bring out bring out some life in here. In addition to that, we're going to be redoing some things. We're going to be taking away these nightstands and doing something different. This is not even the correct comforter. It is the comforter, but I just don't have the, I need to put my duvet back on top of it because the whole duvet is gray. So yeah, I'm trying to bring out some different elements and textures without a bunch of color, because color, every time we do color in our bedroom, we get sick of it so quick. So yeah, we're going through the colors that are going to be maintained in here is obviously the white, black, gray, which will be the curtains and the bedspread, and natural elements like what you see here. Natural wood, because I have some ideas for nightstands that I will reveal in a separate video. The video today is just going to be about painting and doing the accent wall. So what I'm going to do now is pull out this bed, move everything, and then we'll get started. So I want to explain the color that I chose for this. Here are the three colors, well, the two colors that are already in our room: black, and our walls everywhere are pure white, ultra pure white. So for the white that I'm going to use for the accent, what I chose was actually Night Blooming Jasmine. I don't know if you can see that. Let me come this way. Let's see. Night Blooming Jasmine. And I chose this color. Let's see if you can kind of see the difference between the two. Yeah, so this is the color of our walls, and this is the color of the accent that I chose. These are the colors all together.
I like these.
You like these? And I chose these colors because I wanted to bring some warmth, just a little bit of warmth to the design, being that our walls are so stark white. I didn't want everything to be so matchy-matchy. I have a slight contrast and also bring some warmth because of the wood elements that we're going to be using, like I said. Paints from Home Depot, of course, because that's our favorite store. Behr. This is the paint. This brush. This is the 1-inch Trylon. I like these brushes. Thin angle brush. Okay, I just did a sketch. It's seeming a little bit harder than I thought. So I decided to sketch it out on paper, and it's still kind of hard. Aaron doesn't seem, he don't think that this looks that cohesive, but I think I see it in my mind. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's just see how it turns out. So let me just first and foremost say that this process was an emotional roller coaster. It took all of me. It almost took me out. I started, thinking that I had a pattern And by the time I got towards the middle, I got very lost. This was a complete freehand process. I tried really hard to study the lines and patterns that were on that half of a picture that I showed you on Etsy, because I didn't even screenshot a full picture of it. I was rushing and just did a half shot. I don't know what that was about, but I couldn't really gauge the pattern. So I had to just come up with something in my mind that made sense, and this is what I came up with. I made so many mistakes. Oh my gosh. I made so many mistakes along the way. As you can see, my paintbrush kept dripping because I was putting too much pressure on it, just, trying to get the pattern, not really paying attention to my technique. So the white paint was dripping. I was trying to wipe it off with my finger. Child, it was a mess. And I was getting really discouraged at that point because it was looking so sloppy. So at this point, y'all, I was really frustrated. And it looks good on camera, but up close, there was just a lot of imperfections that I just didn't know how to fix. I didn't know what way to turn. I didn't know what to do. But I just started freestyling even harder. And that's just a testament to the DIY process. Like, when you're a DIYer and when you're, a creative, you just got to go for it and start relying on your creativity and your visual and your vision to get you through the project, because it's just a process. Here I just started putting lines where I wanted them, but not necessarily finishing them. So I was kind of just doing like some sketches, and later on I'm going to go back through and kind of perfect those lines that I drew. Okay, guys, I am finished. It is so gorgeous. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's get into it.
Me wind and rain.
changed my clothes because I was taking some pictures. This is by far one of the most fulfilling projects I've ever done. I am so happy and so pleased with how this turned out. Like, I can't believe that I did it. I can't believe I did this. This has got to be like one of my favorite projects I've ever done. Wow, 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 wow. So this is just the first video of this full room's transformation. I'll be doing more videos showing the decor that I do. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of changes in here. Well, a few changes, just freshening everything up. So I'll make sure to do that full makeover video. That's going to be coming soon. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, because also once we get to 500 subscribers, y'all, we're gonna invest in a camera. We're gonna invest in a camera, because right now I record on my iPhone, and a camera is just gonna take our content to the next level. So help us get to 500 subscribers and we making an investment, okay? All right, I enjoyed y'all. It was a pleasure. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Love and light. Be blessed.